Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Open the Zoom app and sign in with your institution or personal account. This ensures licensed features. Next, go to Settings to select and test camera, microphone, and speaker. Use the test mic and test speaker buttons so students can hear you. Finally, enable waiting room, set a meeting passcode, and assign a co-host if available. These controls prevent disruptions and let you teach without constant interruptions. Once done, schedule the session and configure important middle steps. Pick date, time, and duration, and set recurring if this repeats. Include registration if you need attendance control. Turn on record to cloud or local depending on storage needs, and restrict screen sharing to host unless collaboration is required. Prepare materials. Upload slides, create breakout rooms, preload polls, and design a clear screen sharing layout so students see content and video feeds without confusion during active teaching. When it's time, start the meeting early and run a quick check. Verify audio, video, and admit students from the waiting room. Use share screen to present, spotlight, or pin the main speaker, and launch breakout rooms for group work. Record the session and stop recording when finished. Finally, wrap up by ending the meeting for all and saving the recording. If things go wrong, dropouts, or no audio, restart Zoom, test devices, and if needed, switch to the browser client. That usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.